Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that I'm greeting you like this, but I really was so excited to get this new Gymshark haul up for you. And let's just say that yesterday I got my package in. I filmed my haul yesterday right away when I got, because I was so excited to open it up for y'all. And my camera acted up, so it totally cut my intro out completely earlier, like farther in advance than I even thought it did before I switched over to my iPhone. So that's why I'm giving you filter status intro right now, because this girl cleaned up for the night and I was not about to put makeup on, but I wanted to get you this video. So anyways, let me get started into this little unboxing that I did for you. I'll give you the download before you get to see what's happening, okay? I ordered like a crap ton of the new launch of the Vital Seamless, Energy Seamless, and they had new colorways in Flex as well. And you'll get to see all of the items that I tried on for you. That, fortunately did not get cut out because I switched to my phone. But I just wanted to stop in here because otherwise my video made no sense at all. So please, please, please take a gander at the items that I got. See if I liked them, if they did not work out or what. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. It's so greatly appreciated. And let's get to this try on and unboxing right now. So I have on the Energy Seamless in the steel blue color leggings. I am not gonna lie, these leggings right now, as far as just putting these steel blue ones on, they run small AF. Like, they were a struggle to try to pull up onto my body. Do they fit like a glove and like flatter me right now after they're on? Why, hell yeah, they do. But I'm not gonna lie, it was a little hard to get them on. So, not quite sure how I feel about that yet. I will say that the booty contour hits much nicer than like the ombre. It actually hits closer underneath my seat, so it actually looks like you have a little bit of a lift there. They also have this little dotted pattern going down the rest of the leg to give your leg more contouring as well, which is really nice. It's very subtle. Do I feel like I kind of have a saggy crotch right now? Little bit, because I can't really pull them up anymore. So with that being said, do I have an issue down there as far as, you know, it riding up? Not so much. But at the same time, I don't feel as comfortable because I don't feel like they're really pulled up all the way on my leg. I will say that these do flatter and fit very nice. They were just a struggle to get on. They hit me, they're full length, so that's great. I could always roll them up if I wanted them to be, or like pull them a little bit for more like of a 7/8 style. So I believe that they are completely squat proof from when I checked in my mirror. The only problem I have right now is that I have this gapping situation at the waistline in the back, which is a little annoying, but it's not terrible. At least it, you know, goes back in afterwards. But yeah, I do believe that the steel blue are squat proof. Okay, and next up, I wanted to just keep my sports bra on that would match this pair of pants now. So I switched over to the Energy Seamless in the steel blue as well. And to be quite honest, I was a little bit nervous at first when I was pulling these ones out of the bag, because I have the khaki and I have it's like the deep plummy purple color in the Energy already. And love them as far as how they make my body look, because they fit like a glove and they're very like compression tight holding, but they're almost like too tight where I don't feel comfortable like even working out in them, and I definitely wouldn't wear them just for everyday things otherwise. So I was a little bit nervous, but I thought this color was just so beautiful that I was like, I'm gonna order it and see for myself when they come in. So I'm really glad that I did, because I love them. I was really expecting to like the Vital Seamless better, but these Energy Seamlesses, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. They are so supple. They're super stretchy as far as that goes. Like, pulling them on was so easy. They were not a struggle. They still feel very compression and tight, but I can breathe and I don't feel like I'm pop in the seams or anything like that. They look super great on. They flatter my bum really well. I mean, hey there, woo. But I really do like it. I do enjoy that the logo on the hip is much smaller than in the past. That is really nice. And the detailing on the leg, they took it now, it goes down further through the leg. So it starts basically on the upper thigh, and this little hole detailing goes all the way down past under the knee. And then at the calf, it basically starts at the bottom and it comes all the way up. They have it throughout the back, on the side, and it goes all the way onto the inside of the leg. They just are really, really flattering. And yes, they are squat proof 100%. My opinion on these Energy Seamless are, yes, you're gonna love them. They're very soft. The color's beautiful. Get them. Okay, and I have now switched on to the Blush Marl sports bra in the Vital Seamless, and also I have the Dusky Pink on in the leggings. Do I love these colors? Absolutely, I love these colors. Again, did I have the same problem with these leggings as the steel blue? Sure did. They run small. I don't really know what the Gymshark girls that I watched the reviews on prior to ordering were smoking, because they all said that they were so like stretchy and comfortable and they ran true to size. And if I would have known that they basically lied to me, I would have ordered a size up. And again, maybe I'm just being super nitpicky, but when I watch reviews, I really want that. That's why I'm watching these reviews. I don't want to waste my time otherwise. So I'm just kind of like sad and annoyed, because it's like I have to go back online now and see, because I do love them. I love how like they make my body look, and I just don't necessarily feel like I would be comfortable working out in these small leggings. Love this Dusky Pink color. It is just gorgeous, especially since if you know me and you know how much I love me some pink and some mauves. Like, I love it. I love it. As you can see, let's talk about the sports bra right now. So I have the sports bra in an extra small. I actually like them just to feel, because this actually feels very stretchy, just like the other ones that I own. It comes with the cups in there. The only downfall on this Blush Marl is that if you can see this with my lighting, basically right there where the you insert the cup on the inside, it's not double layered. So then you get this weird like armhole looking thing, because it's not double lined. So it's, I mean, yes, it's underneath my arm, but still, it's like, really? Come on. As far as the pants, the contouring hits me right underneath my seat where it should. They flatter my booty really nicely. I'm not gonna lie, it perks it right up there. This holds your tummy in, which is really nice. That's why we all wear the high waistband leggings. These definitely, I think it's because it's the lighter material, or the lighter shade, and also because they're already kind of stretched to their max trying to put them on my body, that they are definitely sheer. I would not do a squat or a deadlift in these babies. Like, it would be very, very questionable if I did. Of course, I wanted to order like the complete matching set, so I got it in the long sleeve as well. I only got it in this Dusky Pink, and I also was able to snatch it in the Blush Marl. So I'll throw that on here in a second after this one, just to see like as far as like see-throughness of the color. I got this in a small. It fits, but at the same time, I feel like maybe a medium in the top also would have been better. So this is, I think, the first haul where I've really had an issue with sizing, and it's not like, I've actually been like on it at the gym and watching my diet. So I've like lost weight since I've done like a Gymshark review before. So I don't even know, like it can't be that. So it's either the fabrics or something's up. But I'm kind of like, this is the first time I've been like very like not happy with the stuff I've gotten in the mail as far as when it comes to sizing. I feel like maybe a medium, it would have had a little extra give through here. And also it's like, I usually will end up taking these off after I get warmed up, unless it's super cold in my gym, which usually isn't the case since I live in Florida. But you know, just that. I do think from the last time when I got the, it was the coral color, I believe, in this top when they released it way back when. I do think that they, like the Gymshark girls were saying, I think they've made this shorter. So that's nice. So like if you wanted to have like a contrasting sports bra underneath, you could see that. So I do like that look. Or I can pull it down far enough if I want it to be a little lower. As far as the thumb holes, I can wear them. Does it make my arm feel like it's a little bit harder to reach then? Yes, because it's kind of like digging then into like that crease of your thumb. I wanted to put on the blush marl just to see how the see-throughness and sheerness of this top is, and yes, it definitely is. I kept the blush marl sports bra on underneath, and you can totally see like right through it. Like it's a lighter shade, I get it. It's gonna be really hard to perfect that region of not being sheer, but it's just kind of like, okay, whatever. It doesn't look bad, but I don't know if I'm really like a huge fan of it. As soon as I lift my arm, you can kind of see how like they have the little ventilation system, we'll call it. It's like kind of like the dotted holes where they do like the contouring along here. It stretches out quite a bit. So it's kind of like maybe a medium would be better, because it's like, it almost just feels like it's not big enough for me. Like I just want it to stretch out, like don't suffocate me. Lastly, for this Gymshark purchase of these new release items, I ended up buying a new flex color and the new long sleeve. Originally, I was not going to. I didn't even look at the flex because I have some, like I have the beet, the khaki, I have like the deep teal. Like I think they're beautiful, and I really do think that they do wonders for your booty. But at the same time, I'm not a fan of this waistband. So I was kind of like, I'm not even gonna look at it. But then that day happened and I did. So as far as the long sleeve goes, I think it's really, really cute, and this band doesn't necessarily feel too tight around my chest, so that's good. I feel like I have plenty of room in the arms and it doesn't feel that tight. It does not have thumb holes, just so you know, but it has this cute little like wrist cuff detailing that matches the band around the chest. The bottoms now, so again, different colors have different variations of their stretch. These almost feel like they're kind of like cardboard. They were very rough. They're not easy to pull on. They're not very soft and stretchy. So maybe it's just a color thing. Don't know. Do they cut in to my sides that badly? No, I don't think so. I think it's pretty good. But at the same time, it's an elastic band. So unless you have like 0% body fat, it's gonna do a little cutting in. They are quite long enough as far as that goes. I'm 5'8", and I have all of this extra length. I could pull it down like underneath my foot if I wanted to. So you'd be able to cuff it if that's a look that you like in the gym, especially for like the more petite girls. You could definitely rock that. They are squat proof. Pretty much all the colors that I have in Flex, I feel like are squat proof. So they've conquered this series as far as that goes in that. But yeah, I don't know if I love it. So again, I'm a little sad that this haul has been kind of like a bummer almost. All right, y'all, and hopefully you enjoyed watching me do this little try-on haul for you all with the new releases from Gymshark. It was with the Vital Seamless, the Energy Seamless, and Flex with new colorways in those two options. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this, and like maybe I was able to help you out with my review here. Unfortunately for me, I was like real excited for this because I was for sure like in my head, I thought this was gonna be like a major win, and I was gonna be like, you know, winning the lottery with all these fun new colors like for fall and everything like that. But unfortunately, that's not the case, which you can't always win. Anyways, I will say that my absolute favorite item from this purchase were the Energy Seamless in the steel blue. The color is gorgeous. I love the detailing. They're really soft. They're easy to pull on. They still fit like a glove and are very like compression holding, but you can breathe, and it's not like you're gonna bust the seams when you try to move or bend in them. If you enjoyed my review on all of these items, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm really sorry that I didn't have more like good things to show you, but you know, that's what these reviews are good for. So if you have any questions, comments, please leave those all down there below for me. If there's something that you liked, let me know. I will leave all of this information down in the description box for you every single item that I got and the sizes that I ordered it in, and whether or not I feel like you need to go up or down in the size for that item. I will let you know my opinion. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, y'all.